Welcome to Unit 5, Your Space. In this unit, we're going to talk about cities and neighborhoods, talk about homes, find information in advisory rooms, the learning activities, the resources. When you talk about your space, you can describe your home, your neighborhood, your work, or your city. For do this, you have to pay attention to the next information. We use there is and there are to say that something exists or doesn't exist in our place. There is using with singular nouns. Like example, there is a cat in the window. There is a TV in the living room. Now, there are for plural nouns. There are 3 cars in the garage. There are 3 windows in my house. There is using 2 uncountable nouns. There is some milk in the spoon. There is some water in the glass. Now, the negative form, you can use it with the contraction or the long way. There is not or there isn't. There are not or there aren't. There isn't a pen on the desk. There aren't 3 cars in the garage. There isn't any milk in the glass. To do questions, you have to change the position of the verb to be with there, like this. Are there 3 cars in the garage? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Is there a pen on the notebook? Yes, there is. No, there is not. Now let's see some vocabulary about the parts of the house. Almost all the parts of the houses has bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, and living room. So other houses has laundry room, hall, garage, garden, basement, attic. Now let's see some furniture vocabulary. Curtains, window, picture, sofa. Now let's see some vocabulary about the places in the city. Think in your city. Even better, think in your neighborhood. Is there any school there? Yes, there is a school there. No, there isn't. Hospitals, train station, church, hotel, bus stop. Now let's see practice. In my house, there is a big bathroom. In my house, there are 3 bedrooms. In my neighborhood, there are 3 bakeries. There are hospitals in the city. Is there any bed in your bedroom? Are there theaters in the city? Oh yes, there are. No, there aren't. Now, keep on practicing and see you in the next unit.